I'm mixing up my bath bomb recipe. These are toxic bath bombs that will go in my Rest in Peace for Mummy kit that I am delivering to different lady friends this Halloween. In my mixture, I have Epsom salt, baking soda, cornstarch, citric acid, coconut oil, essential oils for scent, and a tiny bit of water. I'm using pumpkin spice and harvest spice as well as an almond scented flavoring. It smells like almond flavoring and it's just delicious. I'm also using gold mica powder as well as a copper mica powder for a layer just to give those fall colors that will be beautiful for the bath bomb. I use a pastry cut-in tool as well just to get all the lumps out. Now I'm going to add a little bit of glitter to an aluminum mold. And I'm going to take the mixture and pack it in on one side. And then I'm just going to layer with the different colors. And then place the mold together and twist it back and forth until the seam comes together closed. Then I use the end of a knife to beat around the edge of the mold. And this shakes the bath bomb loose from the side of the mold so you can take it out. If your texture and consistency is good, you can just pull the mold out, or the bath bomb out, and place it on the tray. So add a little bit of glitter to each side, pack each side of the mold, layer it with different colors. I love doing layered bath bombs. They come out so pretty. Once again, press them together tightly. You want to make sure you pack enough in there so the mold is stuffed tightly and your bath bomb is firm. Then beat the edges with a knife, and don't beat the actual mold. You'll dent the mold. I did that once. And it should just slide right out of the mold. And then you can let it dry for 24 hours. Consistency, this is really important. I've had bath bombs crack. And so you just want to make sure your bath bombs have a sand-like consistency that you can squeeze in your hand and you can feel it press just like sand on the beach. It will hold its shape. You've got to have the right amount of moisture, the right amount of oils. And sometimes if you have too much, your bath bomb will stick to the inside of your mold. Consistency is very important or your bath bombs will crack or just explode altogether on the tray. Turn to dust. I've had that happen before too. I'll make sure I give tips and tricks and pointers on my website to how to deal with potential problems with your bath bomb. If it's sticking to the inside of your mold, you'll definitely want to add a little bit more baking soda. But they should come out of the mold, and easily you should be able to set them on a tray. And look how beautiful these look. All the different colors, a little sparkle of glitter. They came out beautiful. And in this video, I'm just packaging my bath bombs. I have these slip covers that I use and slide my bath bomb in. They're shrink wrap covers. I also use these same covers on my bars of soap. They're very easy to use. You just place your bath bomb inside, and this is after I've let my bath bombs dry for 24 hours. And so I just take a blow dryer on low and then blow dry it, and it will just shrink up around the bath bomb. And if there's a little bitty tip at the end, I just trim it off. Easy enough. And this makes for great packaging to deliver to friends.